International Day of Yoga, 21st June. International Day of Yoga has been celebrated annually on 21st June since 2015 to highlight the importance of yoga and make people aware of its benefit. Yoga is physical, mental and spiritual practice which originated in India. The word yoga was first mentioned in ancient sacred text called the Rig Veda. The Vedas are a set of 4 ancient sacred texts written in Sanskrit. The credit for celebrating International Yoga Day goes to the Prime Minister of India, Narendra Modi ji, and United Nations General Assembly. On 27th September 2014, during a speech in the United Nations General Assembly, Narendra Modi ji suggested to celebrate Yoga Day. Then on 11th December 2014, United Nations General Assembly UNGA considered his suggestions and announced to celebrate International Yoga Day on June 21st, as it is the longest day of the year in the Northern Hemisphere. The United Nations International Yoga Day logo reflects harmony and peace for humanity, which is a sense of yoga. In 2021, the whole world will celebrate the 7th International Day of Yoga. Every year we celebrate International Yoga Day according to the theme. This year, in 2021, theme is Yoga for Wellness and the focus will be on practicing yoga for physical and mental well-being. Lord Shiva, the first yogi, Adi Guru, is said to have begun imparting the knowledge of yoga to the rest of mankind on this day and became the first guru. The world capital of yoga is Rishikesh. Rishikesh is a city in India, northern state of Uttarakhand. It is considered to be the birthplace of yoga. Rishikesh is the most ancient pilgrimage location in India. It is known as Tapobhumi, meaning the place for yoga and meditation of the gods. The name 8 limbs comes from the Sanskrit term Ashtanga and refers to the 8 limbs of yoga. The first one is Yama, attitude towards our environment. Second one is Niyama, attitudes towards ourselves. Third is Asana, physical posture. Fourth one is Pranayama, that is expansion of the breath. Fifth one is Pratyahara, that is withdrawal of the senses. Sixth one is Dharana, means concentration. Seventh one is Dhyan, that is meditation. Eighth one is Samadhi, that is complete integration. Importance of yoga. The art of practicing yoga helps in controlling an individual mind, body and soul. It brings together physical and mental discipline to achieve a peaceful body and the mind. It helps to manage stress, anxiety and keep you relaxing. It also helps in increasing flexibility. It improves respiration. It increases the power of concentration. Especially yoga plays a significant role during the COVID-19 crisis because yoga helps in boosting our immunity level. So friends, on the occasion of International Yoga Day, start yoga, do it daily and also inspire to your parents, friends to include yoga in their daily routines. It is highly beneficial to make yoga an essential part of our life. So friends, I hope you enjoyed this and understood everything. Here is some questions for you on this topic. Question number 1. Which city is known as Yoga City? The answer is Rishikesh city. Question number 2. Who is father of yoga? Answer is Lord Shiva. Question number 3. The word yoga came from which language? Answer is Sanskrit.
Question number 4. In which year the first International Yoga Day was celebrated? The answer is 2015. Question number 5. Which Vedas mention about the element of yoga? And the answer is Rig Veda.
Yoga is the journey of self through the self to the self. So friends, that's all for this video. If you like this video, do like, share, subscribe to this channel, The Question Lab. Do not forget to click the bell icon if you do not want to miss the upcoming videos on my channel. See you in the next video.